The world has shrunk in size. People, information, investment, technology are changing hands and geographies in split seconds. Speed compromises security. And the million-dollar question is, how do you secure a world that's changing every second? The answer lies in two words: Aditya Infotech, an ISO 9001 certified company. They are the pioneers of security solutions in India, specializing in video surveillance, mobile surveillance, fire and safety, homeland security, video analytics, thermal imaging, home automation, access control, and attendance management.
Aditya started its journey in technology business in 1993 and very soon emerged amongst the top IT products distribution company in India. The year 2007 was a milestone year for us, which marked our entry into the safety and security business. I'm proud to say that in a very short span of time, Aditya has emerged as the #1 security and safety products company in India and Asian markets.
This simple belief has reaped Aditya Infotech rich dividends, world's leading security and safety solutions force. Today, Aditya Infotech is the biggest player in Asia and Middle East region with 6,000 plus channel partners and 55 offices. It is India's largest security solutions provider with manpower of over 550 people and offices in 45 cities.
The success mantra for Aditya lies in two simple keywords: focus and relationship. And relationship for us comes first, even above business or transaction. This success mantra has helped us in capturing a large market share globally in the security business.
With R&D hubs in India, China, and Taiwan, Aditya Infotech has partnered some of the most respected names in the security solutions industry.
Our strength lies with largest brand portfolio across various categories in security and safety industry, which helps our partners in offering integrated security solutions to their customers. Our network spans 9 global offices, 52 sales offices and warehouses, 300 plus techno salespeople, catering to ever-growing channel base of our 6,000 channel partners. Be it a small system integrator or corporate SI, our portfolio, professional support and personal relationship gives edge to any partner associated with us.
Supporting this success story is a world-class R&D center. It's here that new ideas and products get tested, along with training for channel partners. An extensive network of service centers spread across 45 cities. A toll-free number and online support is always available to address your concern.
We at Aditya pride ourselves of having the largest and highly talented pool of experienced technocrats to complement our sales force.
So whether you are an individual or an institution, a large corporate house, or a recent entrant, or someone who's looking for time-tested security solutions, or has a specialized need-based requirement, be rest assured that the best minds in security solutions will take care of your security concerns.
We are rated amongst the top 5 security products distribution company of the world today, thereby taking us closer to accomplish our dream of a safe and secured world.
Aditya Infotech.
Think security,